Is paint protection film worth it? It's one of the most commonly asked questions I get here. Some argue that modern-day automotive paint is strong enough to withhold against scratches and debris, and the initial cost of PPF is too much and not worth the expense. While others argue that preserving the car's paint and longevity with paint protection film, protecting against rock chips, scratches, oxidation, and UV rays is the best option to protect your vehicle. So, is it worth it? It honestly all comes down to peace of mind and budget. While not having paint protection film on your vehicle, there may be damage, which means that when you go to trade in your vehicle, the value may drop significantly. Though PPF is not bulletproof, it may prevent damage to your vehicle as well as the paint. So you have to ask yourself, am I going to keep this vehicle for multiple years, or am I going to trade it in next year? Now, something you want to avoid is having a cheap paint protection film installed on your vehicle. Normally, these come with no warranty. They yellow over time, and rocks can penetrate the film very easily, and just an overall bad appearance to the film. Choosing a cheaper film option to be installed on your vehicle may seem like a good idea at first, but you'll actually end up spending thousands of dollars replacing the film with no warranty when it needs to be replaced earlier than expected. Once again, guys, I'm Ben with Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below.